The median home price in the United States over the period January 2010 to January 2015 can be approximated by the function P of t equals 4.5 times the quantity t minus 2010 squared minus 15 times the quantity t minus 2010 plus $180,000. This function is good for t between 2010 to 2015 only, where t is the year. Find p prime of t and p prime of 2011. What does the second answer tell you about home prices? First, we find p prime of t, which is the derivative of p. Observe that there are three terms in this function p. First term is 4.5 t minus 2010 t squared. The second term is 15 times t minus 2010, and the third term is 180. The derivative of the sum or difference is the difference or sum of the derivatives, and so we would need to find the derivative of each of these terms. The derivative of 180 will be 0. We no longer need to multiply this out, we just simply use the chain rule. Using the chain rule, 4.5 is a constant multiple for the first term, so we would rewrite this. The function t minus 2010 is inside the square function, so we first use the power rule and the chain rule. Bring down 2, leave the function t minus 2010 alone, lower the power 2 by 1, and then we multiply the derivative of the inside. But the derivative of t is 1, and the derivative of 2010 is 0. Next, minus 15 is a constant multiple, so we would rewrite it, times the derivative of t minus 2010, which we saw earlier that the derivative is 1. And the derivative of 180 is 0. Simplifying this, we have 4.5 times 2 is 9. This is 9 times the quantity t minus 2010 minus 15. Simplifying this further, we have 9 times t is 9t minus 9 times 2010 is 18,090 minus 15. This is 9t minus 18,000, and 90 minus 15 is 75. This is a simplified expression for derivative p prime. Then we plug 2011 into this function. We simply substitute 2011 where t is, everything else is the same. Simplifying this, we'll get negative 6. The unit for this negative 6 is $1,000, which is the unit of p, over the unit of t, which is year. What does this mean? What does it tell us? In the interpretation, we have to include the input 2011, and we have to include the result negative 6. We will interpret this as, in the year 2011, home price declined or decreased by $6,000 per year, meaning the home value lose $6,000 per year in the year 2011.